Hello, everyone. Welcome to StartSpeak English.
Hi, everyone. I'm Mike, and we are very happy you are here today.
I'm Anna, and today we have a very important lesson for beginners.
Yes, today we will learn how to introduce yourself in English.
This is one of the first things you need when you start learning English.
You can use it at school, at work, when you travel, or when you meet new people.
Don't worry if you are a beginner. We will go step by step.
We will use simple words, simple sentences, and many examples.
And you can practice with us.
Yes, speak with us, repeat after us, and enjoy learning.
Part 1. Saying your name. Let's start with the first step, saying your name.
This is very easy. You can say, I am, or my name is.
Listen to me. My name is Anna.
And I say, I am Mike.
Both are correct. Both are good.
Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. My name is...
Good. Now say your name.
Again, I am.
Great job.
You can also say, Hi, I'm Mike.
Yes, I'm is short for I am.
It is more natural in conversation.
Let's practice. Hi, I'm Anna. Your turn. 2. Saying where you are from. Now, let's talk about where you are from.
You can say, I am from...
Example. I am from Morocco.
Or, I am from Spain.
Repeat after me. I am from... Now say your country. Very good.
You can also ask someone, Where are you from?
Listen. Where are you from? Great. 3. Talking about work or study. Now, let's talk about your job or studies. You can say, I am a student.
Or, I am a teacher.
Or, I work as a driver.
Keep it simple.
Repeat after me. I am a student.
Again, I work as a...
Now say your job or study.
Very nice.
4. Talking about age. Now age. This is optional. You don't always need to say it.
But you can say, I am 25 years old.
Repeat. I am years old. Now say your age. Good job.
5. Talking about hobbies. Now let's talk about hobbies. This is fun.
Yes, you can say what you like.
Example, I like football.
Or, I like music.
Or, I like reading.
Repeat after me. I like... Now say something you like. Very good.
You can also say, in my free time, I like...
That sounds very natural. 6. Full simple introduction. Now let's put everything together.
Listen carefully.
Hi, my name is Anna. I am from Italy. I am a teacher. I am 28 years old. I like reading and music.
Now me. Hello, I'm Mike. I am from the USA. I work as a designer. I am 30 years old. I like sports and travel.
Now you try.
Take your time. Speak slowly.
Repeat step by step.
Repeat after me. Hi, my name is...
I am from...
I am
years old.
I like...
Excellent. Warning, common mistakes. Now, let's look at some common mistakes. Mistake 1. X. My name is Anna. Correct? My name is Anna. Mistake 2. X. I am from Morocco country. Correct? I am from Morocco. Keep sentences simple. Tips for learners. Here are some tips to help you. Tip 1. Practice every day.
Tip 2. Speak out loud.
Tip 3. Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Tip 4. Repeat simple sentences. Mini dialogue. Let's do a small conversation. I start. Hi, my name is Anna. What is your name?
Hi, Anna. I'm Mike. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I am from Canada. And you?
I am from Italy.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
That's great.
Final practice. Now it's your turn again.
Try to say a full introduction.
Speak slowly and clearly. Closing.
Great work today.
Today you learned how to introduce yourself in English.
You learned how to say your name, country, job, age, and hobbies.
Keep practicing every day.
Speak with confidence.
Thank you for listening to StartSpeak English.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.